today we're making cupcakes.
Yes, cupcakes.
Change of plans. We're actually making
Brownie cupcakes.
because we don't have any cupcake batter. Here we have
brownie
batter.
King.
We have some icing. We need water, which we have in the sink, and
Then
vegetable oil. We're going to be using butter. We have to wash these off. They're a little heart-shaped. I think they're for Valentine's Day. Yeah. So, I mean, I guess they're for Valentine's Day. You can use them any occasion, Christmas,
It doesn't have to
Thanksgiving.
be like Valentine's Day. It can be any year.
Yeah. You heard it here first. So, let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is wash off our these things. Okay. Let's.
Can I help?
Yeah.
I want to do
Here.
it. And then
Once. No, I just washed them. Dry them. Now we're gonna start with our ingredients.
cup water.
1/4 cup water.
Oh yeah, 1/4 cup water.
A stick of butter, cause 1/2 cup vegetable oil.
And then
One
1 egg.
egg. So the first thing that we're actually gonna do is preheat the oven to 325. You will now see Sam preheating the oven to 325. Bum, bum. After getting some wise information, we have decided to spray these with cooking spray. We're gonna do that. We'll be filming the spray. I'm going to get out the spray with flour. This one, butter, made with flour. This is the good stuff. Put these out on the tray. Now, come with me. Follow me outside. Okay. So I'm not very good at this, so I'm just going to plop it right here.
Flop it.
Spray. The first thing we are going to do, put in our butter.
I'm sorry.
And fork, and see this right here? Smash it down. So I'm just smushing this down, right? I know that this is a dry ingredients thing, but I really don't care. Water.
Get your face.
Here it is. Ooh. I'm going to take some scissors and pop it open. I'm gonna put about half, or I just did. I put about half. Don't get any yolks in. All right, so now I am just whipping up that egg.
Hands are horrible.
You're doing a great job. So now Vot's gonna stir a bit for it. Is that the Legally Blonde cup that I used, Dylan?
No.
Who was using that cup? Dylan, who was using that cup? Oh my God.
No comments at this time, please.
Consider this a warning. Come on, Violet. All right, let's make some cupcakes.
I didn't even start.
Okay, stir. It's actually brownies. Here, do it more aggressively. More
He just said Legally Blonde is dumb.
I don't want to scoop too much because I do want it to be somewhat. Like, I want them to be even, and I feel like if I scoop too much into one, then like there won't be enough.
And then everyone will fight.
No, I'll just get the biggest one. Yeah, wait just a second. I had a traumatic experience in either, I believe it was 7th grade facts class, because I went to get something,
From the oven?
Yes. To get
And,
to get chocolate banana muffins, and I reached in and someone bumped into me.
So
'Cause I
like
have
if you
klutzy.
burned your hand.
Yes, I have a klutzy grip, and all right here was just like terrible. It was just terrible. Alright, you can stop one. Okay. I'm going to take this. Can you please stop that right now?
Oh, wait.
Yeah. Open this up. Open it on up. And use my trusty old spoon.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did. To just put it.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am. I'm going to move all of these onto a... Wait, they're so hot. I'm going to move them onto a plate and put them in the freezer. These bad boys are out and about of the fridge. Take our lump of frosting in this bag, and I'm just gonna cut off the tip.
That's weird, but okay.
And now, I'm just gonna...
Oh, that's a little too much.
Do a little swirl. Because, yeah, I don't want too much. It's a little poop, and I love it. It's beautiful. Oh, my God.
Hey, my dude.
We're just going to keep going. This is such a bad idea. Don't do this. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, we're just going to...
I think you should have done this. This is not a good idea.
It's a great idea.
Don't get it near me. This shouldn't have been an idea.
Okay, so... It's all over me. Oh, I had some on my foot. Oh, got a nice amount on my thigh. Please be my camera woman. Follow me around. I forgot to close the bag. Not a good idea because then it was open. I will admit that was a bit of a mistake on my part, some may say. Here is the final product. Violet, I say they look pretty delicious.
Yes, they do. I can't wait to eat them because
Nice.
we already ate dinner.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.